friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you home remedies to help you reduce the eye puffiness, wrinkle and your dark circles. There are many people have dark circles or some signs of dark circle. We know we cannot avoid our busy schedule, and we also know that busy schedule we gonna hamper our health in many ways. One thing we can do for sure that we can keep track of eating habits like including lots of fresh veggies, fruits, nuts, etc. in your diet. Today I'll be talking about what food or habit will help you to get rid of dark circles, puffiness or wrinkle, especially vitamin K, iron or zinc. Why get rid of dark circles? First, tiredness. Second, allergies. Third, eczema. Fourth, sun exposure. Here I am sharing a solution. It's very easy home remedy. You can prepare at home. We need only 7 ingredients. First, bottle gourd. We can also call as loki or dudi. Second, 1 tablespoon of honey. Third, 15 to 20 mint leaves. Fourth, half lemon. Fifth, 2 green tea pouch. 6, cotton pad. 7, ziploc. I am sharing 2 remedies here. One for eye puffiness and other for dark circles. First we will see eye puffiness remedy. Take a bottle guard, wash it and then peel it. We are going to use bottle guard peel and some chunk also. Meanwhile, boil water and add green tea bag in it. Once it's done, let it cool down completely. If your skin is allergic of one or more items, please ignore that particular item. Put all items in small grinder, water guard peel, chunks, honey, mint leaves, lemon and add green tea pouch. And you can add also some green tea for dilution. Grind it until it becomes a smooth paste. You are going to store it in silicone tray so you can use it later when we need. Let it go in the freezer for that you can use it for 7 days. Take a vacuum in any bottle pot or tin pot and then apply it all over your undereye and then face. Please don't rub your undereye area. Apply very gently as green tea boosts blood circulation underneath your eyes. Once you massage undereye area, massage your whole face. It will help you shrink a large pore and tighten your skin. You don't have an ice burn, so you can apply it directly. But in case you have, so put ice cube in small bowl. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours until it melts completely. Then use a cotton ball and apply it on your face. Trust me friends, if you apply daily, once a day, you will see amazing transformation. Then once it's done, you can wash your face with cool water and apply any moisturizer. Next remedy, I am going to share with you for a dark circles. Here we use DIY patch. We will cut cotton pad